trail.
Did he leave a trail? Jeff, you better help look. He is so close to it.
Home? You want to go home?
Mom, I smell eggs.
You do?
Do you smell?
A little bit. It's almost like hide and seek, isn't it?
Why does he always have to
You
hide?
guys are done looking?
Why does he always hide everything?
Maybe he didn't hide them. Maybe he just took our Easter baskets with.
No. He put eggs in there and hid them.
Where?
I smell eggs.
Well, then you smell. Use your sniffer and find them. Jeff doesn't care.
Where did you guys have good hiding places yesterday when you were...
Yeah.
Wow, that's a good one. Found them!
What?
Everybody got candy!
Why would you put them in the closet?
He did, not us. Oh, okay, move. Jess, this is ours.
No, that's, I think, Shea Bear's. Yeah. Look at the big one. It's got more stuff. That's yours.
Sorry!
Shay, this is yours.
Mom, we got Princess and the Frog.
Cool.
And we got cookies. And we got ups.
All right. Shay, that's David and Jevons. This
Can
is
you
your
say Happy
basket.
Easter?
That's yours.
Happy Easter.
Look at Shay.
They're looking up.
Can you say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Shay, come here.
Shay, can you say Happy Easter?
Shay, say Happy Easter.
This is yours, Shay. Look at.
Shay, say Happy Easter.
Mom. We started to
Easter.
get a lot of stuff. That's what's new. Oh, what's in orange?
Don't break them open.